Hello everyone, it's a gloomy Saturday in Wellington and we plan to visit a local scenic reserve which is included a park. Let me tell you about the Percy Scenic Reserve, located in Mongaraki and Korokoro, close to Lower Hutt City northeast of Wellington City. Reserve is a beautiful calming place to visit as a family or individual who would love to enjoy nature and walk under the woods. This is a perfect place with a garden area, easy trails, a small cave, and a waterfall. Getting to the reserve is easy and less than 5 km away from Lower Hutt City and about 15 minutes drive from Wellington City. There are free car parks available and easy access for public transport as well. Another interesting fact is Percy Scenic Reserve is open all day, every day, all year round. The original garden was set up by the Percy brothers on land close to a flour mill built by their grandfather. The brothers planted a mixture of native and exotic species, with a preference for native flora, an unusual action for the time, and their work was described as a veritable native plant museum, becoming well known in the area. The mill is long gone but a waterwheel, now ornamental, remains. The land occupied by the flour mill and surrounding garden was valuable to the family of Tipuni, a leader of Te and a government advisor. Rental income from it was paid to Tipuni's son-in-law, Matene Taufare, according to records. In 1939 a half-share of the Percy Garden was inherited by the government, to be kept as a scenic reserve. Later, the other half passed into public ownership and in 1949 the whole area was opened for public use. The collection developed from the interests of the Percy family, who lived here from the 1840s until 1939 and includes over 1,000 species and varieties in the alpine rockery and the potted alpine collection of botanist Ap Druce. The reserve was gifted to the government in 1939 and officially opened to the public on the 7th of February 1949. The 10-hectare reserve offers the perfect escape from town. Percy is part of a connected network of reserves in Korokoro and Mongaraki. From its origin in 1869 as a private garden, Percy Reserve is nowadays a well-loved public attraction. One of the interesting viewpoints is the Percy Waterfall. From the car park follow Waterfall Walk. It is an easy and very well-maintained walk. The walk leads to the pond, then goes along the creek with a number of creeks crossing via footbridges. After 10 minutes you'll reach the waterfall.